So in this video, I'm going to go over my thoughts on NFTs. Now, the thing is, NFTs are still somewhat new, so I may be completely wrong on this idea. But thanks for tuning in. This is The Life of a Miner. Okay, so right now, when it comes to NFTs, I recently got an email from some random person stating that he can create an NFT for me and he wanted me to sell it off my YouTube so I can hype it up. So if you don't know, it's super easy making a coin, but everyone knows that making a coin is mostly all scams. Because if you don't know, Save the Kids coins, they're all scams. They're all pump and dumps. Since people figured out those are all scams, I feel like NFT is like another version of creating coins. So I feel like that's what NFTs are when it comes to YouTubers. Now, don't get me wrong. NFT is not really that because the term is different. It's non-fungible tokens, meaning that there's only one of one. But the problem is, if you look at a lot of the high-selling NFTs, you see that they're just JPEGs of simple drawings. And do you really consider that art? Now, if it was some crazy design or crazy picture, I may feel that it's worth it. But majority of these NFTs that are selling super high prices, if you don't know, they're sold by unknown people and only the super rich are buying it. And when it comes to the super rich buying art, majority of what they do is money laundering. So NFTs, I feel like, are scams for tax evading because our majority art is scams. It's a lot of the rich just buying art so they can tax evade. So you got to think of NFT like art, where it's more just the rich laundering their money. But if you don't know, this one art piece, someone on an art exhibit put a banana with just duct tape, and this banana on a duct tape sold for $150,000, and this was just it. And it was crazy that some random guy took that banana, ate the banana, and one of the staff just got a new banana, replaced it, and sold it again for $150,000. Do you call this art, or is it the rich just laundering their money? So you got to think of NFT as in used for laundering money. Only the rich people are buying NFTs, and the NFT sellers are all unknown. So you don't even know who the sellers are. That's why if you create an NFT, more than likely no one's gonna buy it because you need connections, just like art. Don't get me wrong, if this was really good art, I would understand, but it's a banana duct taped on a wall. Can you really call that art? And just beware, when YouTubes are selling NFTs, more than likely it's just a scam. Like I mentioned, I got emails from random people saying that they can make an NFT for me and they want me to sell it off my YouTube. And just like the other emails I get when I get offered where these people said they can make me coins and then I can sell it on YouTube. So when NFTs are sold on YouTube, it's just another version of them selling a coin. So there's that on YouTube. But when the rich buy NFTs, it's more money laundering. But don't get me wrong, some people are using NFTs the right way, but it's very few. So that's my take on NFTs. I feel like it's another way of selling coins. And the only reason I say that is because I got an email about it. Utility is what's going to make the project stick around. I agree. When it comes to crypto coins, it needs some sort of purpose. That's the main thing. Oh, one other thing is I feel like a lot of people are just buying NFTs just because they think that in the future they can sell it for more. But what's the difference of buying a coin? Because it could be the same thing. Look at this bid. Yo, $19 million? It has 3 days and 10 hours left. Do you think this NFT is worth $19 million? 44 bids reserves was met. Like I mentioned, we don't know who the bidders are. We don't know who the sellers are. It's all money laundering. And soft buys, this is probably the rich people auction site. A lot of these auction sites are run by the artist. So more than likely, this artist could be a founder of this site. And then they connect with rich, wealthy people so they can buy it and then tax evasion. Because they can say they bought art. And then down the road, what they usually do is donate this to a museum and they get a tax write-off. Usually the museums are connected with these people as well. So yeah, that's crazy. Usually this is all fake. It's all a front. 44 bids, maybe like 5 or 6 people just bidding on each other. It's not really like 44 people bidded on this. But let's see lot 2 of 1. Oh, Dogecoin won? $550,000 just for this? That's crazy. Did my first NFT on Raven. Like I mentioned, NFTs are meant just for the rich to launder money. Now, don't get me wrong. If you make good NFTs, it could be valuable. But I feel like nowadays, NFTs are just a hype. People are buying it. So in the future, hopefully it gets valued more. But the problem is in the future, why if no one buys NFTs anymore? That's the thing. So I feel like it's just a hype now, or money laundering for the rich. Nobody will want to buy them when they have zero utility. The thing is, you got to think of NFTs like trading card, like collectibles levels. And don't get me wrong, some NFTs are really good, and I think they are worth that much money, but a lot of people are using NFTs for the wrong way. Only 1% of NFTs I think are legitimate. 99% of the remaining NFTs I feel like are scams or money laundering. That's the thing. Because like I mentioned, I got an email asking me if I want to sell NFTs, just like getting a whole bunch of emails about me making coins and selling it. So I feel like it's 99% scam, but 1% of NFTs I think are legit. But there's no actual legal farming in the law to say NFTs are protected by copyright laws. It's not really copyright, it's more ownership. The thing is, if you have that NFT, no one can really take that NFT from you unless you sell it. You're owning the blockchain, that's the catch. But yeah, there is no legal use. Because real talk, I could just copy this. But the thing is, I don't own that one blockchain. So I can't really say I own the blockchain for this. But that's the thing, that's why I think NFTs are stupid. Just because you can just save video, save. Yo, I'm $550,000 richer. Let's go. I did it. I'm rich. And let's go to this one. 19 million. Save video. Save. Yo, I'm $19 million richer. Let's go. But who cares? No one's really buying this. People are actually buying the blockchain that has the signature of that art. But like I mentioned, it's not for us. It's for the rich people to launder their money. It doesn't have to have artist signatures, but you can make forges. The thing about art, you're really buying the signature with the art. If you just buy forges, it's really not worth anything because people value the signature as much as the art piece. Okay, so now when it comes to NFT games, I feel like some NFT games are legitimate. For example, Axie Infinity. But there are some NFT games where it's just a money grab. Because the thing about these NFT games is you have to pay a high premium just to get started, or you need to invest more money down the road just to upgrade your character. And just to get started on these NFT games, you're paying more money than AAA titled games. But in return, there is a chance to make your money back. So when it comes to these NFT games, the game should be fun. It should have constant updates, and economy should be handled correctly. Now you are sacrificing your time to earn your money back and make some money, and you don't want to waste your time because it may take a couple months to earn your money back. So if the NFT game isn't fun, just like any other game, you may not even make your money back. Now NFT games is a good start of incorporating cryptocurrency with games, but I feel like it should be implemented in more well-known games. For example, Fortnite, because Fortnite uses V-Bucks, and instead of using V-Bucks, they should use some sort of cryptocurrency because the economy will be secured by the blockchain, and the developers will know if anything's out of ordinary with the economy because everything will be reported on the blockchain. Alright, so those are my initial thoughts on NFTs. I feel like 99% of NFTs are either scams or for money laundering, but there is that 1% where NFTs could be legitimate. I feel like NFTs are just another version of creating coins because most people know that creating new coins are more than likely pump and dumps. And when it comes to NFT games, the game should be fun, have constant updates, and the economy should be regulated. You are paying a high premium just to start the game, and in order to make your money back, the game does have to last. And when it comes to people buying NFTs, I feel like majority of them are just buying them now, so in the future they could just sell it for a higher price. But NFTs are still somewhat new, and I could be completely wrong, so let me know your thoughts. And if you have any questions you want to ask me live, I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/thelifeofminer every Sunday 2:30 p.m. US Eastern Time. And if you do need any type of help, definitely join the Discord. I or someone knowledgeable will definitely help you out. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you enjoyed it, sub if you decided to see what's next. But of course, thanks for watching, and always happy mining.
Thanks for watching The Life of a Miner. This is Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. You don't want me to get angry and turn Super Saiyan, so make sure you subscribe to The Life of a Miner. I'm also the narrator. Next time on The Life of a Miner.